Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's finally warm enough for me to get outside and do some planting. I'm here at my parents' home where I'm going to be planting this quick Fire Hydrangea Standard in place of an endless summer hydrangea. I'll transplant the endless summer hydrangea to a different area of their garden. I'll also be planting a beautiful double knockout rose to continue adding all-season interest to this flower bed. If you want to know how I do it, keep watching. My name is Lena and this is Life on Green Acres. The Quick Fire Hydrangea Standard is a great shrub for anyone looking for a little more height in their garden with all the benefits that come with the paniculata hydrangea. One of the great things about this shrub is that it's hardy down to zone 3, so not only can it be placed in the ground, but it can also be placed in a planter if you garden in a zone 5 or higher. The blooms start out as a creamy white and slowly age to a vibrant fiery pink. The other shrub I'll be planting is a double knockout rose. It's hardy down to zone 5. It gets 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, and as long as it's spaced well and has good circulation, it's an excellent rose if you're looking for something that's disease resistant. If I put it in full sun, I'll definitely get as many blooms as the rose will allow itself to make, and it's going to be a nice addition to the Yellow Brick Road rose by Easy Elegance that's already planted within this flower bed. The double knockout rose is going to be going in this area, somewhere in this vicinity. But in order to really make it a good fit and ensure that there's plenty of circulation around the roses, I'll need to move some things around. I'll need to move this hosta over just a bit because it's really big. And then there's a hosta tucked away right back here that I'm gonna move a little closer to this hibiscus tree. The rest of the hostas are just fine. However, there is a hosta here that's just like this variety, and I'm sorry, I don't know what they're called, that's going to get huge. And I can see that it's already gonna be a poor fit for where I have this yellow brick rose, and I'm gonna be placing the knockout rose right next to it. So I really need to kind of move some things around to make some space. I managed to get the whole thing out still intact, so that's a good sign. I got the Hydrangea Standard in the ground. I also planted the double knockout rose, and in order to actually make room for the knockout rose, I had to move some things around, including a couple hostas, a mini rose, and I believe that was about it. The endless summer hydrangea that I initially had planted here, I transplanted to the front yard where the landscape is much better shaded, and since an endless summer hydrangea is a macrophylla hydrangea, they typically like to be in shade and they need lots of water. Thanks again for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Lena and this is Life on Green Acres.